Back at Oropi. Last time I was here, session ladder drop, so I could do all the features. Oh, that was a little sketchy, but did it first time, so happy with that. It's a bit wetter than when I was here last, a bit damper, slipperier. I'll just take it easy. This is a slippery bit. Slow down. And this is a steep one. You know, that's looking today. It's right, eh? Oh, mate. Lost my balance there. Okay. How to recover from this? Jump up on the street. Oh, 3%. Okay. Oh, mate. Okay, lost my balance on that. The route. Let's go. Motherfucker up there. Oh, mate, there hurts. Shit. Okay. Okay. That was a bit slippery than I thought. Oh, mate. It's trying to get my breath back. Oh, shit. Oh, shit, there. Oh. I broke a rib. Okay. Shit. Quite hard to roll over right now because I'm damaging myself. How do I get up? How do I get up? Whew. Yeah. Something's not right. Well, that was quick, wasn't it?